And welcome to Tiger Carpenter again. Today is a different project. I have this Buddha statue which is antique, and the owner of this statue asked me to restore or rather repair the damage on the foot here. This is a very solid wood. This is an ancient iron wood. So just out of curiosity, I want to weigh the statue. So let's move it to the scale. Oh man, this is heavy. Okay, so I hope you can see the result here. It's 21.3 kg, and the foot will be ground flat so that I can attach the replacement fixture. Okay, so here we've got the results from the belt sander. It looks good, nice and flat. So now I will proceed to sliding dovetail lock. Now I'm going to clean up the wood, and I need two pieces because I don't have the thicker wood. Yep. So now I have the Buddha foot pieces. Now I'm going to glue them together so we can get one thicker block. And just in case nobody figured it out before me, you don't need clamps, glue-ups, if you have bench with the vise. So let's put this sandwich together. Okay, so here's our sandwich. Okay, so I left it for 24 hours, and I believe this should be glued very well now. So here is my Buddha. I placed him on the bench, and I will be starting to work on attaching the foot replacement. So I'm going to use 30 millimeters sliding dovetail. Okay, so we have 30 by 30 millimeters square. So now I'm going to route it out. So I'm going to use the pattern bit with the bearing on the shaft. Okay, so we have the rain here again, but I don't think it's going to stop us. Okay, let me clean this up. Right, so we have nice face. And now I'm going to transfer the dovetail. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now I'm going to sneak up on the other side. Okay, now let's try to fit it into the Buddha's foot this way. The dovetail. It's looking good. So now I can draw the line around. So I marked the foot profile. And now I'm going to cut it on the bandsaw. Okay, so I drew the rough contour of the toes. As you can see, we are slowly getting there. So this will be the final cut on the bandsaw, and from here I will take it back to the hand tools. As you can see here, the sliding dovetail is very precise, nice tight fit. And we are on the final touches of the Buddha foot. As you can see, it turned out quite well. I'm very pleased. So here's our Buddha, and his foot is almost ready. Just the final touches. All right, so let me make the bottom flush. Time to glue this guy up. Here's our dovetail. Okay. Let me show you the other side. Check this out. The project is complete. I believe it's very successful. I'm very happy with that. The sliding dovetail turned out very well. It's a tight fit and it's never going to separate. The seams are also very precise. The wood is the same species. It will eventually turn gray and will match the ancient wood. So I guess the Buddha guy should be happy now. He can enjoy his new food for the rest of the eternity. And I also enjoyed the project because it's something different, something that you don't do every day. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tiger Carpenter, and you can like the video if you liked it. Thank you very much.